My friend just gave me a call and she was super excited because she invested 1 lakh rupees into an FD. And frankly, I felt very bad for her. If you want to know why, watch my video till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, a commerce career coach. Typically, you will see I'm making videos on, career guidance, courses, and all of this. But this video is made because I truly felt there's a lot of gap in personal finance. Students do not understand personal finance, though they understand numbers, economics, balance sheet, all of that. That's why I have specially made this video. In this video, I want to talk all about savings. Guys, savings is great, but just saving is not helping you. I'll explain exactly with numbers because yes, commerce students only understand numbers. Let's say I'm saving about 10,000 rupees a year. So if I'm saving 10,000 rupees a year, the average return that I will get from my savings account would be 3 to 4%. So this 10,000 would become 10,400. But when I go to the market after a year with this 10,400, I can purchase commodity only worth 9,700. That's it. So commodities that I could buy 1,000 1 year ago, I can only buy 9,700 today. So technically, I have lost 300 rupees. I have not made any money. I have actually lost my money. And guys, that is what I want to highlight. Students save, which is great. You should be savings. Most of the students save, which is really great, guys. But just savings is not enough. Savings is not going to help your money grow. It will not give you more money. It will reduce the value of your money because inflation, every year inflation is there and our money value is depreciating. It's not increasing. So what should you do next? That might be your question. So guys, we need to invest. Let me tell you a simple story about me itself. So I started my articleship in KPMG and I was like 20-year-old. So even when I was 20-year-old, you know, I got this one tip from my manager back then who told me that, keep some side of your money which you want to invest and the rest of your salary please spend. And that's what I used to do, though I used to get stipend then and it was a decent amount because I was doing it from a big four. So what I would do is I would set aside a sum of money, which guys, I'm not saving it, I'm investing it. And that's the major difference. I put it in a lot of SIPs, I invested in a lot of mutual funds, and on an average, I made 18% return on those SIPs in just a span of 3 to 4 years. And that's really true, guys. So you need to invest and not just save. If you are just saving, I would say rather spend it because, like I explained, the value of the money is depreciating. So please make a smart choice, invest your money, do not save. The next question could be that, well, it sounds good, invest. But there is so much confusion with stock markets, with mutual funds, with ETF. What should you do? Where should you put your money? Because normally, as students, we have very little money. Maybe like a 500,000 rupees per month we are able to save. So we feel that, starting with this small amount is not useful. Guys, no, it is very, very useful. In fact, I started my first SIP with just 2,000 rupees. So it's start small because we need to take baby step. So the question now is, how do you invest with so much confusion and with so much of information? It gets so difficult to understand which company is doing well, which is not doing well, how to invest. And so that's why, guys, we have collaborated with a chartered accountant who has been trading for good 8 9 years now, and he has developed a workshop wherein you can use AI to make your investment decisions, which is really great. We have been using AIs for our assignments, homeworks, for copying, answer sheets. Now let's use AI for something more productive. So let's use AI and learn how to invest, learn how to put your money into stock markets, which is the good mutual fund, equity, and all of that. And that is what our entire workshop is going to be, wherein we are going to be explaining you how you can use AI to make investments. Because guys, investment will help your money grow, savings will not. So that's why I wanted to come out and give this information to all of you. If you're interested in joining our invest using AI workshop, then please feel free to reach out to me. Details have been provided, and we will guide you on how to register for that workshop. So, guys, let's grow together, not just professionally, but also financially. Let's grow our money together. And do drop a comment below if you have any sort of queries, and we'll be very happy to take those up. And also, guys, do share this information with your friends who are looking in terms of guidance on where they should be investing their money, because this workshop is going to be power packed and will give you a lot of information on how to use AI and let it do your magic on the money that you have. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.